So welcome back to the channel. Today we are in a beautiful neighbourhood in Poole in Dorset, and we have just completed this outdoor kitchen. This is a Beefeater Signature Outdoor Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how we built it, everything that's in there and all the materials that make up this kitchen. So if that's something you'd like to see, hang around and we'll dive into this video. So this kitchen is a Beefeater Signature range. It's also called the Harmony range. It's another name for it. We do have one of these set up in our showroom, so if you want to come and see one in the flesh, you're welcome to come down and see it. So let's have a look at this. We'll start over here. So the kitchen itself, it comes out, this one would come out on 3 pallets. Everything is flat pack, and it can be put together in one day. So any competent DIYer could do it by themselves, or any tradesman, a carpenter, would have no trouble at all putting this together. They come out flat pack, all the units fixed together, and you have individual units. So this is an individual unit, this under grill cabinet is an individual, this is another unit. In fact, this whole section here is one unit, a cupboard and a fridge unit. This range of kitchens, the Beefeater Signature range, there's probably 6 or 7 different layouts that you can have. Each one have slightly different functions and they're slightly different sizes. So for example, one range won't have a sink and it'll just have a double cupboard. Another one might have a 4-burner barbecue, another one might have a 5-burner barbecue. Some have single fridges, some have double fridges, some don't have these. So there's quite a few different options for you to choose from. They all come with this 40mm quartz worktops included. So what they've done, the design's really good. It's all enclosed, so you have these waterfalls that come down the edge here, you have the worktop comes along there, and then the waterfall comes down and it goes underneath the barbecue, back up here, along here and down here. So the whole kitchen itself is enclosed in the quartz, and it's a really nice grey sort of sparkly colour. So the doors and drawers on these are ceramic doors. They call them skins. So the frame of the door is aluminium, and then they have these ceramic skins that go in. This kitchen range is only available in this colour, by the way. So you only have this sort of creamy ceramic colour for the drawers and the doors, and this grey colour for the quartz. All of the doors and the drawers are all handleless, so you push them and they pop open like that. Inside, you can see here, it's just like a normal kitchen unit you would have inside. It's made of marine ply and it's laminated in a coating, so it's completely waterproof and built to withstand the elements all year round. So you've got a single cupboard there, and back over here you've got the Beefeater double stainless steel fridge, which is used for keeping all your drinks, your food cold. Lots of space in there to keep things. This is your barbecue unit. Now the customer has actually bought this. This is a plancher that he got from France. It's called a Forjador. So that's something that they wanted. It's a gas plancher, and he gave us the measurements of it and asked if it would fit in here. So we measured it out, found that it could fit. So instead of having the Beefeater 2000 series that you would normally have, he's got his own plancher there. So underneath this are 2 drawers, which are huge. You've got plenty of storage in there to keep anything that you want in there, proper pan drawers. So that's the grill unit there. So over here we've got the sink unit, and again, so you've got two double doors there with the ceramic fronts. These are handleless. Again, you push them, they both pop open. So underneath here, you've got access to your water and your plumbing there, and you also have space for your gas tank there. I don't know if you can see them, but behind the gas tank there are vents there as well, so that, you know, any leaks or anything, the gas has got somewhere to go. It does come with a shelf, which you can put in if you want, but most people just leave the shelf out, so you've got access to that, and then you keep all your bits and pieces in there. Obviously, up here you've got the Beefeater tap, so this turns on like that. It does come off the clip like that, and then you've got a button here where it changes from shower or back to waterfall like that. So this really is a lovely outdoor space. We've got these porcelain tiles which match the worktops quite nicely, but they've also got this Bristol canopy overhead. It's all controlled by remote control. You press it, the louvres, they shut and then they open, and they're completely watertight. They've actually got these blinds that will come down as well, again all controlled by remote control, and they've got this beautiful cedar cladding battening around the outside which works really well. I'm a huge fan of cedar, and I just think the whole kitchen cedar canopy together just looks incredible. It really works, so we're really pleased with this one, really pleased with how it turned out. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you want to come down to our showroom and see one of these, you can have a look at it, open it up and see what's involved. Then you're welcome to come down. You can either leave a comment below here or send us an email or ring us. I'll leave our website details in the description below. If you like this, you can subscribe to the channel. We try and do one of these videos once a week, and we also have an Instagram account and a Facebook account. So if you'd like to see up-to-date photos of all the things that we're currently up to, then head over there and follow us on there. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.